Hello, YouTube. I'm Vince White. I'm an employment attorney, and today we're talking about the New York sick leave law, a statewide law in New York State that's going to grant you between 40 and 56 hours of paid sick time if you qualify. Now, and that difference in the amount that you receive is going to be due to some factors tied to your employer. You know, how many employees they have, how much they're bringing in. There's things like that on the back end that decide what you're due. If you have questions about that, post them in the comments down below. I will endeavor to get you answers. Okay, so what does this cover? If you're sick with either a mental or a physical ailment, right? There's no differentiation there. Mental health is real health. And essentially, people are very mystified by this because they think if their employer breaks this law, they're going to be getting big money. And it's not really that kind of claim. It's more situated to have the Department of Labor get involved and tell you, hey, we're working to get your job back, right? So if you use sick time and it's not paid, or let's say your employer fires you for using your sick time, there's going to be a number and an email for the Department of Labor, which I will include both down below, that you can contact the Department of Labor and get help in getting your job back and maybe getting some back pay. Now, and I'm also going to link the website that kind of discusses this law, right? Because it's very counterintuitive. People often try to treat it like a federal FMLA, Family Medical Leave Act claim, or a New York State paid family leave claim, where if the employer breaks it, you could initiate a case, right? An FMLA case on the federal level would go to federal court in front of a federal judge and can be potentially quite lucrative if it's a good claim. A New York State paid family leave case, I mean, that could go to the Workers' Compensation Board in New York State. And that could also result in damages paid to you. And you could hire an attorney to handle that for you, right? This sick leave law claim, I mean, I suppose you could hire an attorney to handle it for you, but I don't know that you need to. And I think it's really more situated to get someone from the state, from the Department of Labor and the state level, to pressure your employer to bring you back on the job. I think that's the goal, right? So enforcement is a little light on this one, but that sick time is still your right. It does count recovering from COVID, very important. And I will include all of the links, all the relevant links to email the department handling this at the Department of Labor, to call the department handling this at the Department of Labor, and the URL to read the rundown of eligibility requirements and what you get. Okay? It's all going to be the doobie-doo down below. I hope this helps. You will have questions. Post your questions. I will endeavor to answer them for you. Like and subscribe. It helps me to help more people just like you.